We are continuing exercise 13.2. The question is, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. Here a metal pipe is given with a certain thickness. It is given that 77 meter long, then height of this metal pipe is 77 meters and the inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter of cross section is this only, this. It is 4 centimeter and the radius will become 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter, and the outer diameter will be for this outer circle, that is 4.4 centimeter. It is 4.4 centimeter. Then its radius will be 4.4 divided by 2, 2.2 centimeter. We are considering the outer radius by capital R and inner radius by small r. Now we have got one internal surface in this metal pipe, one outer curved surface and one surface on the lower ring and one surface on the upper ring. Now first part is we are to find the inner curved surface area of this cylindrical pipe. For this, the formula to find the inner curved surface area will be 2 pi small rh, because the radius for the inner curved surface area is small r. Then it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into height is 77. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. It can 77 cancellizes with 7. And on multiplication we get it is equal to 968 centimeter square. Now we are to find the outer curved surface area. For outer curved surface area we are using the formula again, 2 pi rh. Here radius is the capital R and capital R is equal to 2.2. Then it will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Multiplied by 2.2 multiplied by 77. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. On multiplying this we get it is equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. Now the third part was to find the total surface area of the metallic pipe. To find the total surface area, the formula is 2 pi into r plus r into h plus r minus r. 2 pi r plus r, capital R plus small r, it is 2.2 plus 2. Height is 77 plus 2.2 minus 2. On solving this, 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 77 plus 0.2. We further we get 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 77.2. On solving these we get it is equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. That is the total surface area. Now this formula is for the total surface area. Which surface area is included in this total surface area? One, the inner curved surface area, the other the outer curved surface area, one the lower ring and the upper ring. And total surface area we got is 2038.08 centimeters.